Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. For tips today, I have a few tips for those of you who received a new phone under the tree this morning. Leaving your phone set up as it is out of the box is one option, of course. But here are a few tips and tweaks that you can make to your phone setup to make it more user-friendly and help your phone be more productive for you. First, you can turn on Wi-Fi calling. In times that your phone is struggling to find a cellular signal, but you have good Wi-Fi service, you can switch to Wi-Fi calling. Most US providers support this calling feature. First, open Settings and Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Preferences. Then switch on Wi-Fi calling. Tone down the notifications. The more efficient your phone setup is, the more you'll be able to get done, both with and without your phone. You can turn off notifications for certain apps, or silence those notifications, so they appear on your screen but don't make a sound or vibrate. Whether it's on an app that you want to be notified for new notifications right away, or if it's an app that you would rather not be distracted by and just check on your own time. Setting up your notifications can let you have the choice in this. First, go to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Then choose the app that you want to adjust your notifications on. And the last, identify who is calling. When your phone starts ringing from the other side of the room, if you don't know it, why rush over to get it? If you set specific ringtones for specific people or businesses, you'll be able to address quicker if you need to answer it or if you can let it go to voicemail. To do this, you can be in your contacts, then click the More button or the three dots side by side. Then set ringtone. Hope that you found these tips helpful, and I hope you had a very Merry Christmas.